Hi guys, so we're back with another video, and today we are put some chicken in the oven, and I'm also gonna make up some orange sauce to add to that chicken. So if you're interested in this video, stick around, and guys, remember to please like, share and comment. Let's get into this video. We're gonna use a little olive oil along with some soy sauce. We're also going to use a little of that sauce, going in with some paprika, also using some adobo all-purpose seasoning. Use your favorite all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also going in with some turmeric. I'm only going to use a little because this can be overpowering. All right, now let's go in and combine everything together. Lift the skin, get it under the skin. All right, so I will let this marinate for a couple of hours. So first thing I'm going to do is add some onion to the pan. I'm also adding some bell peppers, red and green bell pepper, some thyme, some rosemary, some hot pepper, right? Chop a piece of garlic in there. Now I add the garlic and some crushed pimento seed. Let me grab a gloves. Can't get my hand up here. All right, roll up this again. And then make a place and skin down. Juice in the evening to go make its own juice. So baby, cover that. Add it to the oven. $350 for 1 hour. Alright guys, come let's make some sauce for the chicken. I have some orange juice. So I'm just gonna pour that in. Let me carry this a little closer and bend it over. Right, so we're going with orange juice, soy sauce. Want a good amount of soy sauce. And to that I'm going to add some sesame seed oil. Not too much. I'm also going to add some ginger. Some brown sugar. This is what's gonna get it sticky. Also adding a little vinegar. And we're gonna allow that to boil. Ketchup lover, add a little ketchup. Just combine it. Just make this pour in the chicken or brush over the chicken. Okay? So we're gonna make this go down on low heat because we have the whole time. Remember the chicken in the oven. So we're gonna allow this to simmer down and then we'll come back. Alright, so we're going to take out the chicken now. So you can see what I'm going with. Oh, hot, hot. So going to go split them. Let's go check on the sauce. Nice and sticky. I'm going to add that to the chicken now. So this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna pop this back into the oven on cover for maybe like make a crank up the oven from 350 to 400. So maybe like may I say 10-15 minutes and then we see what it look like. I cook already, you know, just want the sauce to just stick to the chicken now. So let's do that. And let me go check out them that come the turn it up. So let's see what's going on. Look at in my mind telling me go take it out, cause baby. All right. So this is what we have in now. All right, so we're with panda potato. Guys, would you want to try this sweet potato? And orange chicken.